everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you the complete process of this Lord Shiva oil pastel drawing. So these are the 50 oil pastel colors that I'll be using today. You don't need the exact same brand or the exact same shades. Try to use similar colors that you already have. Art is more about understanding colors than buying expensive materials. I already finished the sketch before recording because the sketching takes quite a long time. First, I'm cleaning the drawing using an eraser so the pencil lines don't show too much after coloring. A clean sketch always makes coloring easier. Now I'm starting with the skin. For the first layer, I'm using yellow ochre and light peach colors. I'm applying very light pressure because this is only the first layer. Don't worry if it looks flat right now, the drawing will slowly come to beautiful after adding more layers. Now I'm adding another layer using light brown, orange and peach color. Instead of using one color, I always mix different shades. Layering is one of my favorite techniques because it makes the artwork looks much richer. Now it's time to create depth, so I'm using burnt sienna and brown color. I'm adding darker colors only where shadows naturally appears. Shadows make a drawing look more realistic. If your drawing does not look good halfway through, please don't give up. Most artworks actually look messy before they start looking beautiful. Now I'm using white and peach color for the highlights. Now let's on the hair. For the base I'm using black, Prussian blue, and then I'm layering ultramarine blue and dark grey. And finally I will add light grey and white for soft highlights. For the earring and the moon, I'm using yellow oak and brown color. Then I outlined the face with a black colored pencil, then finished the background. For the background, I'm choosing complementary colors, blue on the one side and warm orange on the other side. This creates contrast. I really hope this tutorial helps someone who is learning oil pastels. If you learned something new today, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And that's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.